The box and whisker plot below illustrates the IB grades obtained by 100 students. IB grades can only take integer values. A. How many students obtained a grade of more than 4? From a given plot, we can see that the minimum value is 2, the maximum value is 7, the Q1, the lower quartile or the 25th percentile is 4, the Q3 or the upper quartile or the 75th percentile is 6, and a median is 4.5. And let's consider median. How to find median? A position at which median is in increasing order, all data must be in increasing order, can be found using the next formula, n plus 1 over 2. N is the total number of numbers or items, it's 100 here, so it's 100 plus 1 over 2, and we get 50.5. We can get in general a whole number or 0.5. And if we get 0.5, it means that if we get 50.5 here, it means that we should consider a value at position number 50 and a value at position number 51 and take an average on mean. And since median is 4.5 and all data is in increasing order, it must be that 4 is at position number 50 and 5 is at position number 51. And since all data is in increasing order, all values from position number 51 up to position with number 100, there are values 5 or greater as required. So there are 50 students who obtained a grade of more than 4. B. State with the reasons the maximum possible number and minimum possible number of students who obtained a 4 in the exam. Let's consider Q1, which is 4, and how to find the lower quartile. It's actually the median of the left part of this data, and we can again apply the same formula, n plus 1 over 2, but n is 50 now, so it's 50 plus 1 over 2, it's 25.5. So we should consider a value at position number 25 and at position number 26 and take an average or mean. And since it's 4, it must be 4 and 4 because all data is in increasing order. And if you want to use the total number of numbers or values, 100, how to find Q1 and Q3? A position at which Q1 is, it's n plus 1 over 4, and to find Q3 we use the formula n plus 1 over 4 and multiplied by 3. But here you can get 0.25, not 0, just 0.20 something, 0.25 something, 0.75, but we can calculate only, or actually take a value which with a number which is a whole number 0.5 and take an average. But if we get 0.25, 0.75, we should round, and we round in the next way. For Q1 we add 0.25 and for Q3 we subtract 0.25 to get whole number or 0.5 for the position at which Q1 or Q3 is. For example, for this problem it becomes 100 plus 1 over 4, which is 25.25, and we round plus 0.25, which is 25.5. And let's continue our reasoning. Since all data is in increasing order, and to keep Q1 before and median to be 4.5, all values from position number 26 and up to position with number 50, there must be the values of 4 everywhere. And we can say the next, since Q1 is 4 and median Well, median may be denoted as Q2, and median is 4.5. Values or all values from position number 25 to position number 50 must be 4. And since the minimum value is 2, there must be at least one value of 2, but at positions from position with number 2 up to position with number 24, there may be values 2, 3, and 4. And if we need the minimum possible value of 4, so we can consider that there are no 4 values at positions up to position number 24. Hence the minimum number of values or grades of 4 is, so how many values are, if 4 values are from position number 25 up to position number 50. If it's difficult to deduce, you may consider for example 3 values with number 25, 26, 27, and you can see that if you consider numbers 20 or positions 27 minus 25, you get 2, but there are 3 values, so you can conclude that you need subtract and plus 1, so it becomes 50 minus 25 plus 1, so it's 26. So the minimum number of values of 4 is 26. And to find the maximum possible value of 4, we can say the next, since the minimum value of this data is 2, at the first position must be the value of 2, and if at positions from number 2 up to number 24 are values of 4, if at positions from number 2 to number 24 are values of 4, hence the maximum possible number of grades of 4 is 26, plus additionally from position number 20 from position number 2 to position number 24 there are 23 values. It's clear, so additionally plus 23 values, so 49 in total. So the minimum possible value of 4 is 26, and it's because Q1 must be 4, median must be 4.5, hence it's the minimum, and it must be such a number of values of 4. But at position number 1 there must be 2, because the minimum value must be 2, so there must be at least one value of 2, and at positions with numbers from 1 to 24, there may be in general at least 2, so 2 values, 3 values and 4 values. And if we need 4 values to be as much as possible, so starting at position number 2 up to the position number 24 may be value of 4, hence we can get additionally 23 values of 4, so the maximum possible value of 4 is 49. And that's all for this question.